Hi everybody, I decided to record like a YouTube video series for my reacting practice, like studying. And like some people, they won't even know like what React is. It is like a programming like front-end language. So it's really related to like computer programming. So it can be boring, but hope you guys can enjoy. Cause I'm gonna start like really basic stuffs about the React. Yeah. So I'm gonna close my face here. You guys gonna miss my face, I know, but 1 second. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is like it's gonna be a practice, I think. So if you see and go to see this one, you can see like nomad coders.co. It has a lot of things, not only the React but other like languages like Python, HTML, Node.js, blah and blah. And I'm gonna start the React thing and basic free trial. Then it gives me two options and I'm gonna choose this one, which is like I can make a movie web service. And nomad coders, it calls it like clone coding. So it's basically like you're gonna copy a project which is already developed, so you can copy and paste. Not only copy, but you can practice with these videos as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna practice codes and record videos, and I'm gonna upload on my YouTube channel. But I'm not gonna just copy and paste exactly from this website, but I'm gonna put some additional things that I haven't learned or I haven't studied, haven't known before. And yeah, so I decided, and let's start it. So the React language, the basic of React, like this language is like Facebook developed this language, and many other websites like Spotify, Airbnb, and also Netflix as well. They all use this language. Yeah, and what we need to do firstly is we need to check the Node.js. If we install this or not, we can check. I mean, you can open the terminal here. If you use Mac, it's gonna be terminal. If you use like Windows, it's gonna be CMD. Simple, right? And then you can check what kind of version of Node.js you have. If you don't have Node.js, you can simply go to Node.js. Here you go. You can just install one of those. I recommend to use this one more. It's like a recommendation version of it. And next thing we need to install is npm. So -v means like version of this thing, and I have it. Actually, this npm, whenever you install Node.js, it comes with npm automatically, so you don't need to care about it, but just in case, I recommend to check the version of it. And the last thing is npx, also checking version. Yeah, I also have npx. So npx is like npm package runner. So this npm means like Node.js, Node package manager. This one is like executor for the Node.js package. Yeah, and next thing, and so you need to check like 3 things in here, and luckily I got all. And then I'm gonna open the VS Code. If you don't want to use VS Code, you can use like so there's like alternative things, which is Bracket, Atom, also Vim. You can choose any editor, but for me VS thing is like comfortable for me, comfortable. So I'm gonna use this one. And yep. Also one thing more, we need to check if we have Git, and I also have Git here. If you don't have Git, you can go to Git here and download your Git. Git is like version control system. So download all of them, and then we can create a React app. So first terminal is here, alright. So to create a React app, you can open the terminal, what I just used here, and click type npm create React app, I think, and put the name you want to install. As I said, I'm gonna create a movie app, so I'll just name here after this space movie app and install it. It's gonna take a while, just wait it till the end. It takes a while. Yeah, when you see like happy hacking here, it means like all done. And oh, actually I forgot to create a folder. So if I open the Finder here, where did I create? Gotta find one. Here, movie app. So you can open it on the VS Code. Which movie app? Alright. Open it. Then you're gonna see like this. So what we need to do is we're gonna remove some like non-essential thing for the basic like how we would run exactly. So you can go to the package.json and then remove these two lines, and like two important files are this app.js and index.js here. So we're gonna remove everything else we're not gonna use. Gonna remove all. Then you'll see this port one, which I'm not gonna use anymore. And for here, I'm gonna remove the CSS file, and then also the web vitals, and save it. Then for the app.js, we're gonna remove the logo one, also the header, and then save it. And yep. And remove everything, and you can open the terminal and you can sort the npm. Okay, something's wrong here. You can resolve app.css in app.js file, because I didn't remove this one. I need to remove this one, and instead of that, I'm gonna add this right. Then voila, it's gonna give me a new browser. Actually, it's like simply like that. Click this local link first, and you see nothing's here. And you can also use this line, and you can also access this page with your mobile phone if you want. How simple that is. Yeah, you see nothing because we added nothing yet. So if you want to see something else, you can add like hi. And same thing. I see this here. The funny thing I want to mention is like if you take a look at like a usual web page, you see everything is about the page, like div, label, whatever the elements is usually declared in HTML file. But if you see here, there's nothing. I'll show you. Which one is it? This one. Probably Chrome. Not this one. Yeah. Here you see nothing here. If you open the developer tool and dig here, you see it's inside of the root element, which is div, but you see nothing here. But where do we declare this? app.js. So if you want to try more, you can add like heading. My keyboard's not okay. Sweet. Save it. I mean, if you just save it, it's like automatically save and update like this. Now also, developer tool, you see there's two tags here, but if you go to the index.html, you'll see nothing. Yeah. And the reason why you see it like this is, like if you go to the index file, this React don't, and it like literally render the things in app file to the root, which is going to this in the HTML file. If you take a look here, it also mentions like to beginner developer, npm star, Orion star, child bundle, and blah 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 blah. So basically, React creates elements with JavaScript and you push this into HTML. Yep, and this is what we can see. And we will talking about another thing, which is we can put all this into the Git. So we can like in it, we initialize the Git, and then get remote at origin. I need to open my Git. I'm gonna add new one, but what I'm gonna put is should be the same as my file, which is movie. Yeah, this is description. And if you want to make it as private, you can click this one or not. It's up to you. And then you just need to copy this address and need to put after origin here. Okay, coming up found. What's going on here? Oh guys, a get here. It's not get but get. Remote at origin the address. Okay, and then I'll just remove that first and then git add everything and git. Gotta commit it if you wanna put any contents in it. Put the -m and first commit. Plus something, and then last thing we need to do is push origin to the master. And yeah, it's done. If you take a look, it was like this. Basic, and the reason is like 23 seconds ago. We just add thing. Yes, perfect. Perfect. That's it. So this is what I did for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, bye.